In today's tutorial, we'll be comparing VideoAsk versus Typeform, two popular tools for collecting responses, leads, feedback, and surveys, but with completely different approaches. If you're trying to decide between traditional interactive forms or video-based conversations, this comparison will make the choice easy for you. Now, let's dive in. What is VideoAsk? VideoAsk is an interactive video-first communication tool created by the team behind Typeform. Instead of typing answers, users respond through video, audio, or text, making the experience feel more like a real conversation. It's perfect for lead generation, onboarding, sales qualification, testimonials, and personal touch interactions. On the other hand, what is Typeform? Typeform is a beautifully designed form builder known for its clean, one question at a time interface. It allows you to create surveys, quizzes, lead forms, feedback forms, and applications with a conversational feel, all written. If you need structured data collection, Typeform is one of the most polished tools available. And if we were to quickly talk about some key differences when it comes onto both platforms, for example, platform focus. When it comes onto VideoAsk, it is focused mainly on providing video-based interactions that feel personal and human, while Typeform, on the other hand, its main focus is providing text-based conversational forms for clean data collection. And also, if we were to break down the features of both platforms, starting with VideoAsk, first, video-first forms and funnels, video responses, logic jumps and branching, embeds on websites, CRM and calendar integrations, great for lead qualification and collecting video testimonials, and also personalized video messages. While Typeform, on the other hand, some of its standout features include drag and drop form builder, surveys, quizzes, feedback forms, logic jumps and conditional flows, provides themes and layouts. It also integrates with over 500 different apps, and it is great for structured survey data and embeddable forms and pop-ups. And if we were to quickly talk about the different use cases when it comes onto VideoAsk, VideoAsk is best for sales qualification. And if we were to quickly talk about some use cases when it comes onto VideoAsk, I would say it is best for sales qualification, lead generation funnels, or coaching and consulting, and personalized onboarding and testimonial collection. And it is also a good option if you would like to provide a human-first interaction in your funnel, while Typeform, on the other hand, is best for customer surveys, application and registration, and also feedback forms and quizzes and assessments. Also, you can use it for market research and data collection at scale. And if we were to look at the pricing of both platforms, starting with VideoAsk, you can see right here that you can get started for free, and their monthly plan begins at $30, and it can go up to $50 depending on the amount of video or audio you plan on processing per month. While with Typeform, you can also get started for free, and their individual plan begins at $29 per month depending on the amount of responses you're expecting. If it is a case that you're expecting more responses, let's say 500 per month, it will cost you $41. And if you're going in the thousands, you can see right there, if you plan to collect 10,000 responses, it will be $99 per month. With this in mind, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose VideoAsk if you are selling a high-ticket service and you want to collect client video testimonials, or you need personal outreach funnels and you prefer human face-to-face style interactions and want to boost trust and engagement. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Typeform if you run surveys, quizzes, or applications and need clean, structured data and want a beautiful text-based experience and prefer conversational forms without video, or you're doing market research or feedback collection. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative.